My name is Prashanti. Today, let's see how to create reports using Tableau data visualization tool. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool with drag and drop features, and it has beautiful visualizations. Let's see how to create reports and visualizations using Tableau. First, let's learn how to create a line chart for average class scores for each course assignments. And let's see how to create the percentage of students obtained each type of final grade. So to create the reports, first navigate to Start and type Tableau and open the Tableau. So you can see we have the Tableau application. So click on the Tableau application and Tableau is launching. So open the application. So you can see Tableau desktop is launching here, and you can see the welcome page of Tableau where you can see the charts you have already created before. So now, let's go ahead and connect the data. So first click on the connect to data, or you can directly load Microsoft Excel file. So click on Microsoft Excel. So based on your file, you can directly load it. So I'm taking this 2021 spring semester student academic performance dataset. Let's explore the dataset after loading it. So select the dataset and click open. So now you can see visualization of Tableau where you can see the data here. So you can see we have the students and their respective scores for each and every assignment. So now let's go ahead and create a report, create a chart. So here click on new worksheet. So here you can see we have a data and we have the fields on the left side. So now let's go ahead and create the line chart. So first, so let's create the average scores of each and every student assignments of. So here just click on it and drag it to rows. So here you can see we have a student's data, and then you can let me show you for three assignment scores of students. So for let me take the midterm score. So here I am taking the midterm. So just click on it and drag it to columns here. So here you can see our midterm score, and let me load the final exam score. So just click on it and drag it to columns and leave it. So here, and then final score, drag it, click on it, drag it, and here you can see the mark of in orange color. So drop it. So now you can see we have three columns, and here you can see the show me where you can see the charts. So let me first create a bar chart. So here you can see the measure values and the final scores for each student. So we are creating an average class score, and we are doing it line chart. Let's do a line chart. So here you can see the mark where you can change the chart. So here let me change it to line chart. So here you can see we have line charts. So final let me drag the midterm to, okay. So yeah, as you can see we have the midterm and final exam and final score. So we need average calculation. So click on this drop down, and here you can see the measure sum, which is aggregate sum is used by default. So now select average. So in the same way, click on the drop down and select measure and click average. In the same way, click on the measures of sum and then click average. So now we have changed the sum of midterm to average. So we've changed the average class scores for midterm, final exam and final score assignments. So now we have our line chart here, and here you can see we have students. So there is no need of students, as we are grouping it to measure values. We just need the average values, average class scores. Class in the sense we have to combine all the students. So just click on it and drop it. So now you can see we have the average scores, average class scores for 3 values. So in the same way, you can you can select the lab total score and course project presentation and CP step 01, CP step 02. So in the same way you can have it. So so now you can see we have this. So click on this drop down and click the measure and change it to average for all the learning, for all the assignments. So I'm doing it for all the assignments, where click on the drop down and you can see the measure here and click average. So you can see now we have the average of all the average for all the assignments. So now here you can click the label here and show the mark labels to see the labels. So here you can see the labels now. So now just click on it. Here you can see the title as sheet 2. So just click on it and double click on it and change it. So as it is a 2021 spring semester average class scores, and then click OK. So here you can format it if you want black color, and you can format it. So you can see I can do it like this. So in the same way you can create the line chart for other semesters student academic performance datasets. Now let's see how to create the percentage of students obtained each type of grade, which means we need to create a new column like final grade. We are provided with all the numerical columns with final score, which is out of 100. So we can create the final grade using calculated column. So let's create a new sheet. So sheet 3. Now let's create a new column. So new calculated column called final grade. To create the final grade column, so here you can see the menu bar. So in the menu bar you can see the analysis tab. So click on the analysis. Here you can find the create calculated field. So click on the create calculated field. Now we have the calculation 1, which is a column name. So my column name should be final grade. Final grade. So let's give the measure how to calculate the final grade. So let's enter the formula. So for final grade, so if the final score is greater than 90, greater than or equal to 90, then final grade will be A. If final score is in between 80 to 90, then final grade will be B. If final score is in between 70 to 80, then the final grade will be C. And if the final score is 60 to 70, then final grade will be D. If it is less than 60%, then final grade will be F. So let's create using if else conditions. So first if so here let's final score, just click on it and drag it to here. So now greater than or equal to 90. If final score is greater than or equal to 90, then A. Else if, so here it is, if final score is less than 90 and greater than or equal to 80, then it's B. In the same way, so if it is less than 80 and greater than or equal to 70, which is in between 70 and 80, then it's C grade. And else if final score is greater than, less than 70 and greater than 60, which means if the final score is between 60 and 70, then grade is D. So if not else, it is F. And then let's enter. So here you can see calculation is valid. So now click on apply. So I hope you understand the formula. We are just calculating using final score. If it is greater than 90%, then it's A. And then we are saying else if it is not greater than 90. If it is less than 90 and greater than 80, which is in between 80 and 90, then it's B. If it is in between 70 to 80, then it's C. If it is in between 60 to 70, then it's D. If not, if it is less than 60%, then it's F. Now click apply. And then click OK. So now we have created a calculator column called final grade. So let's see how to create a percentage of students who got A like that. For each type of grade, let's see how many students are obtained that grade. So to create the pie chart, so first let me drag the final grade and the students. So now we have final grade and students. So now click on this drop down and here click measure and then click count. So we are counting number of students who got that grade. So count. So now you can see A is 34 students got A and 11 students got B and 2 students got C and 2 students got F. So now just click on, here you can see the visualizations, click on this pie chart and now you can see the distribution of students in the grades. So now let's display the labels. So to display the labels, click on the label and show labels. And you can see, so now you can see the labels, how many students got A, and you can see the final grades over here for colors for each grade. And then here you can see we are counting the number of students, but we need the percentage of students who got that grade. So click on this drop down. Here you can see the count of students. So click on this drop down and here you can see a quick table calculation. So click on it and you can see the percentage of total. So click on the percentage of total. So once again click on the drop down and quick table calculation and percentage of total. So you can see the percentage now. So now I'm increasing. So you can see the pie chart. So now we have created the pie chart And the chart name, let's double click on it and change the chart name, which is 2021 spring semester percentage of students obtained each type of grade. Then click OK. So yeah. So now we have created two charts. One is line chart and another is pie chart. Tableau is very easy to use. You just need to drag and drop into columns and rows, and then here click on show me and choose the chart. So it is very easy to use and easy to learn, and it is a powerful tool with beautiful visualizations. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope you learned how to create line chart and pie chart in Tableau. Thank you.